Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and welcome to this Frame Quilting Monday. Yes, I just realized there are 5 Mondays this month of April. So I decided to shoot a quick time-lapse video over the weekend because I moved my QZone frame from one side of the room to the other, and I turned it around, and this time I have a little bit more space so I can kind of squeeze here behind the machine. Maybe I need to move it just a little bit further out, I think. This is a little bit on the tight side, but it was just a little bit too cramped on the other side of the room, and the window was playing havoc with my lighting. So for all of those reasons, I just decided to push it on this side of the room. I can go all the way around the frame now, and I think it'll be a little bit easier for you to see what I'm doing. My eventual plan now at this point is to move this out to my crafty cottage so I can shoot even better videos on this frame, but that's going to be at least a couple weeks down the road because I've got to shoot some other stuff first. That's a little bit more technical stuff than you probably want to know, but you know, it's a process. It really is. And for right now, I think the setup is going to work. And this is our next quilt we're going to quilt. This is the this was the Slash and Dash, I think it was, or Stack and Whack. That's what it was. It was the Stack and Whack 4-patch, and these are super-sized quilt blocks, and you can find this baby quilt as a free pattern at leahday.com. So you can join in the fun and quilt along with me. This quilt is going to be slightly bigger than the frame. It's not huge, as you can see. It's a small baby quilt, but we will have to advance the quilt side to side in addition to moving it through the frame to advance it this way. So this is going to be a really fun quilt to work on together. Be looking forward to the first video on this coming up on Friday. And real quick, one last thing, the deal we have on the QZone hoop frame, this hoop frame with my home machine on it right here, this is a smoking hot deal, and it is only going to last to the last day of April. So I gotta say, guys, I'm giving you a little warning, this is gonna be it. If you want to get your QZone hoop frame with the back table inserts and the Gracie laser light all together for an excellent price, please come and check it out at leahday.com/QZone. Once the month is over, I can't offer this deal again. So please come and check it out at leahday.com/QZone. And until next time, let's go quilt.